Well, Greg, we're back. You know what bracket this is.
And H for Hanabi.
This is the final bracket of the All Valley 51st Annual Senko Hanabi Tournament. And I know what you're thinking, Greg. There's 10 spots, and we only have 8 brackets.
How does that work?
At the end of today's match, we are going to do an exciting wild card.
What?
And we're going to fill those last 2 spots with former competitors. They're all back. You see them all there, all waiting anxiously in the stands to see if one of these people that got passed by is going to get one of the final 2 spots.
You know, Mark, I thought I saw some familiar faces in the tunnel when I was coming in today.
Who said there aren't any second chances in Senko? Flaming Dragons, hot start. Holy Hand Grenade, great name. Great name.
Obsessed with Monty Python and the Holy Grail.
You know what? I think they didn't quite get the count right there. I think they went 1, 2, 5.
I think so.
I think they didn't get the count right. Although I don't think I got the count right either. Another day with a draws ball gets the win. Holy Hand Grenade, a tough start right off the bat. Looks like, oh, and you know what? They're taunting them a second time. That's tough. Peep a Pig.
Peep a Pig.
That's a familiar sounding name, Greg.
It is.
It's got a ring to it.
It's not a copyright infringement.
Neither are these hot Senko Hanabi 51st Annual All Valley Tournament shirts.
No.
Available right now.
Online.
Even though it's the 8th bracket. It's your first
Look at
chance.
another day, Mark.
Another day. Strong showing. But Peepa Pig. God, name sounds familiar. Sounds familiar. Oh, look at this. Now that's a mean-looking logo there. Alpha Dynamite. Alpha Dynamite. Peepa Pig. Strong showing. Alpha Dynamite. Look at the size of the draws ball on the Alpha Dynamite. Peepa Pig, though. You know, still. Oh, wow. The judges
Alpha
gave it to them.
Dynamite, they believe their Hanabi are imbued with an alpha energy.
Well, maybe it's a little too much.
And consuming raw eggs, which...
Hey, if it worked for Rocky, you know what else worked for Rocky, Greg? Subscribing to this channel. Holy Hand Grenade, still struggling. Woo! Looks like it might just be more than a flesh wound this time, Greg. Flesh wound, I should say. Flesh wound.
Well, it's exciting, Mark.
It's exciting. Flaming Dragons, after that first amazing match, taking on another day of Senko. Another day of Senko. Great
Nice
draws
draws
ball.
ball.
Look at it, pulled up into that. You know, I think this is going to be competitive. Flaming Dragons have an early start. Again, they believe their displays are sending coded messages to dragons hidden deep in the earth.
I don't think that's true.
And they're hoping to summon them for a pyrotechnic collaboration.
Dragons do not live in the earth. They live in the sky.
Well, you know what? I think Flaming Dragons would disagree with that, but we'll get them up here. Maybe you can have a word with them. Another day, strong start. Another day. Another laid-back team. Their secret is just go with the flow.
And in this case right here, look at that. 2 draws balls. Very, very just working their way right up the ladder.
The judges gave them both credit for draws balls, but nothing else, so that means it's a tie. And Greg, as I've said every single time, it's all about racking up the points. A tie's a tie, but points are points.
It's not whether you can hit a 300-yard drive. It's if you can make that 5-foot putt. You know.
Peepa Pig, a strong showing again. 4 points. Wow. Holy Hand Grenade struggling. Oh, wait.
I think they are surprised.
Yeah. That's they got attacked by a Vorpal rabbit. I'm running out of Monty Python references.
That's okay. I know our fans at home have plenty, and they'll have plenty more when they subscribe to this channel.
And put them in the comments. Put your favorite Monty Python quote
We'd
in
love
the
to
comments.
see them.
What did we miss out on? Flaming Dragons. Look at that. A surprising stumble. This could be Peepa Pig's chance right now. If Peepa Pig wins this match, it looks like they are going to the final 10.
I think they will.
Are you sure about that, Greg?
Not now.
Uh-oh. Looks like someone's bacon's in the fire.
Uh-oh.
Flaming Dragons are back. The Flaming Dragons struggled, but now it's Peepa Pig's chance, and that puts the Flaming Dragons in tiebreaker range.
Point
And you know what that means? It's going to be a head-to-head. And you know what that means already, Greg, because we just saw it. Peepa Pig is going back to the pen.
They were not expecting.
Some pig indeed, Greg. Wow, another tiebreaker puts the Flaming Dragons in, but we're not done here yet. We're going to look through all the rankings here, and we're going to find who's next. And so going from top down, first wild card spot obviously belongs to Skibbity from round 1.
Look.
Skibbity is back. Look at them excited. Look at them running down to be a part of the final 10.
The families.
But look at this. Uh-oh. And now we have a tiebreaker for the second wild card spot. Wild Alchemy. Peepa Pig. Come on back, Peepa Pig. Look at this. Head-to-head. Tie. Well, they didn't fight head-to-head, so we're looking for the least number of zeros. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, no. Peepa Pig.
Oh,
Peepa. So close.
Oh,
Always a
by the
bridesmaid.
hair of your chinny chin chin.
Never a pasture. Well, that's it. Peepa Pig sent out to pasture. Modern Alchemy squeaks out the final spot. That means we have our final 10 teams for the semifinals.
Okay. This is exciting.
Greg, are we the only ones who find ourselves funny?
I think so.
That's what we just did. There we go.